Hi there, you're looking at a 2002 Mercury Cougar. This is part 7 of probably an 8-part series on the restoration of this car and its journey back. As you may recall, this car was wrecked in October of 2015, so it's taken almost 4 years to get this thing back on the road, but you know, some people can get a college degree in that period of time or restore a Mercury Cougar, either way. But it was not an easy job, but thanks to a lot of suppliers, vendors, alignment people, frame people, it's back together. So very, very happy so far. I have probably about 95% of the trim on the car. Just need to do the wheels, get those refinished, and put the trim on the roof, and just a few other little things, a little bit of interior work. But as you can see, walking around the car, the spoiler's refinished and put on there, new badge on the back deck, tail lights back in, of course. All the door dings and dents were taken out of the car prior to its being painted, and this car has a new fenders in the front. It has a new front clip, new headlights, fog lights, has a new hood, and it's just really come together pretty good. Looks pretty fabulous right now, so I'm very, very happy with it. Going to take the first drive of it right now and follow up with another, probably a final video, number 8, this I think being number 7. Here's the interior of the car. Big shout out to Universal Frame over in Lyman, South Carolina, who got the car straightened out. Also to the folks at Mako Auto Body and Paint over in Greer, South Carolina, that did a great job on painting the car. And I had stripped all the trim off it, as you may know, and they did a great job on that. Putting it back together was not the easiest thing in the world, especially when you wait that long at the period of time. 3.5 years is a long time to have bits and pieces in bags and boxes. There is the engine compartment. Still needs a final tidying up, but it's looking pretty good. As you remember, the crash was over here on this side, and the battery box or battery tray was destroyed. A whole lot of other stuff over here, but it's straightened out now. So anyway, it's coming back to life, so this little kitty's going to live for another day. I'm very happy with the work so far. Let's take a look at the trunk. Come around. Got a little bit of trim to put on. These roof rails here need to be put on, and I'll get to that. There's the trunk area. As you can see, it's probably about as clean as it can be, and got the trunk light back on there. Got the seats cleaned up. This window tinting is going to be removed and probably replaced, or I'm not sure what, maybe just leave it stock. Let's take a look at the back seats here. This is called graphite leather, and it's in really good shape. As you can see, these were a 4-passenger design. Really cool looking buckets in the back, and they flip down. The seats, I've got some seat covers on them. I still have to replace the leather in the front driver's seat, but otherwise it's looking pretty good. So I'm very happy with it. Sunroof's operational, and everything else went back together. New aerial, new windshield wipers, got all the door panels put back in. So it's just really been a satisfying job, although I have no idea how many hours it took to do it. But anyway, so whatever your project is, I hope you persevere and keep after it. If it's something you want, it can be done. It's not easy, but it can be done. So stay tuned for another installment of the 2002 Mercury Cougar, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the road with this little kitty. We're going to take it for a drive right now. So that's all for right now, and we'll see you next time with the 2002 Mercury Cougar. Have a good day. Bye-bye.